851, turn right heading 180. Order 14 Papa, turn right 245, report localizer established.
Hey everyone, welcome to DJ's Aviation. Quite a common video request on the channel has been for me to cover the order situation of particular aircraft. There are a few people who I've seen do this for airlines and sometimes aircraft. No doubt they'll be doing it more often than me, so definitely go check them out if you're interested in the sort of stuff I'll be covering in this video. I thought we'd start off with the Boeing 777x, an aircraft I know a lot of you really like and are requesting, hence why I'm starting with them. If you have a particular aircraft you'd like me to cover next, let me know and I'll happily do it. However, potentially the 737 MAX and or the A320neo might be quite difficult considering they have thousands of orders. This is being recorded on the 21st of October, so this video may in turn be out of date in the coming months. That's depending on the orders. Eventually I will make an update, maybe a year down the line. We begin with a brief look at the 777X before I move into the orders. The 777X is Boeing's newest installment to the successful 777 series. At this point, Boeing will offer just the two variants, the 777-8 and the 777-9. The two variants, while being very similar with their folding wingtips, will actually offer airlines different perks. The 777-8, with its shorter length, will have a higher range than that of the 777-9, while holding less passengers in a standard configuration. The 777-9, though, with it being longer in length, will in fact hold more passengers, being a more suitable option for airlines wishing to replace, say, their 777-300ERs. Who's ordered the aircraft, though? That's what you've come to hear. Not many at this stage. The 777X is still around a year and a bit away from flying with an airline for the very first time. Despite its first flight being scheduled for early next year, we are still very early on in the program, and therefore the order tally won't be incredibly high, nor have hundreds of customers. That being said, I'd say the tally is very respectable in regards to order count. In total, the aircraft has accumulated 326 orders, commitments, MOUs, altogether combined. This is made up of 53 for the 777-8 and a whopping 273 for the 777-9 as of October 2018, putting, of course, the 777-9 ahead. To begin with, we'll look at All Nippon Airways. The carrier has placed an order for 20 777Xs. This is all for the longer 777-9. The order was placed on the 31st of July 2014, and interestingly enough, the airline does operate the 777 series and a number of the variants in that classic series. This includes the 777-300ER, which is actually still being delivered, the 777-300, the 777-200ER, and just the regular 777-200. So potentially a further order for either the 777-8 or maybe even the -9 would be necessary when they start to phase out, as I mentioned, the older 777s. Next, it's Singapore Airlines. The most recent order for the aircraft, in fact, was from the Changi-based carrier. They've ordered, just like ANA, 20 of the 777-9s. The order, which was placed on June the 23rd, 2017, means that the 777X series hasn't received an order or commitment for the aircraft for almost a year and a half, something they'll no doubt be wanting to change sooner rather than later. Next up, it's Lufthansa, the first customer, in fact, for the 777X. Their order was placed on November the 17th, 2013, almost 5 years ago to the day, and I believe on the actual day of the 777X release. Just like Singapore and ANA, the two airlines we've just covered, Lufthansa have placed 20 orders for the 777-9. Another order was placed on the exact same day as the Lufthansa one, November the 17th, 2013. Etihad Airways ordered the 777X. However, for the first time in this video, a different amount was ordered, and the 777-8 was shown some love. Etihad ordered 17 of the 777-9s and 8 of the 777-8s, making their combined total 25. However, as you may be aware, these orders are now in severe doubt due to their financial situation. Currently, they still stand, but there are reports saying that we may see at least half cancelled or postponed to a later date. Next up, with an order placed on December the 20th, 2013, was Cathay Pacific. The Hong Kong-based carrier ordered 21 of the 777-9s, just one more than that of ANA, Lufthansa, and Singapore Airlines. Emirates will be the largest operator of the Boeing 777X series, with an absolutely mammoth order, which of course didn't come as a surprise to many. The airline has ordered a combined total of 150 777Xs. This is made up of 35 for the 777-8 and a whopping 115 for the 777-9. No doubt they'll eventually replace Emirates' current 777s, which, as a matter of fact, they are still receiving to this day. Emirates placed this order on the 8th of July 2014. Sticking to the Middle East, with an order for the 777X, Qatar Airways will be the second largest operator of the aircraft at the time of recording. They've ordered 50 777-9s and 10 777-8s, which brings their combined total to 60. The order was placed just days after Emirates on the 16th of July 2014. This was at the 2014 Farnborough International Airshow. The final customer is an unidentified one. This customer or customers have ordered 10 of the 777-9s. So that's how the 777X order tally shapes up. It's worth noting that quite a number of these are commitments, while others are all firm orders. Often airlines will firm their order closer to the time of delivery, or when they are absolutely certain that they will take delivery of that said aircraft. Which carrier do you want to see order the Boeing 777X? Let me know in the comment section below. I'd like to thank you very much for tuning into this video of mine. If you did enjoy it, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel if you are new. If you want to see me continue this Who's Ordered a Particular Aircraft series, let me know, as I mentioned at the start, with your aircraft suggestion in the comments. I look forward to you all joining me in the next one.
Race all of these broken dreams in flight, and we'll fly.